In the lively Mini Chef's Academy, Chef Beary Blossom, Bunny Baker, Panda Patissier, Kitty Cooks, and Squirrel Sous Chef were ready for yet another exciting culinary escapade. Today's adventure unfolds around Kitty Cooks and her attempt to create magical macaroons, leading to a delightful yet unexpected mishap. One bright morning, Kitty Cooks bounded into the academy kitchen, her eyes gleaming with excitement. Today, my friends, we're going to create magical macaroons that sparkle with wonder and taste like dreams. The mini chefs cheered in anticipation, ready for the enchantment that awaited them. As Kitty Cooks gathered the ingredients for her magical macaroons, sugar, almonds, and the most vibrant colours imaginable, the kitchen buzzed with energy. However, in the midst of the magical macaroon making, Kitty Cooks encountered a sticky situation. The batter was stickier than expected, causing a playful but unexpected mess in the kitchen. The once organised workspace turned into a rainbow-hued, sticky wonderland. Chef Beary Blossom, always quick to adapt, rallied the mini-chefs. No need to fret, my friends. Let's turn this sticky situation into a magical macaroon masterpiece. The mini-chefs, with their aprons on and sleeves rolled up, embraced the challenge. Bunny Baker hopped around, collecting the blue batter. Panda Patissier twirled gracefully, gathering the pink batter. Kitty Cooks meowed with determination as she managed the green batter, and Squirrel Sous Chef chattered cheerfully, handling the yellow batter. As they worked, Chef Beary Blossom turned the sticky mishap into a game of colours and numbers. Let's organise the macaroon batter by colour and count them together. 1 blue, 2 pink, 3 green, and 4 yellow. Now, let's turn this sticky situation into a magical macaroon wonder. With resilience and teamwork, the mini-chefs shaped the sticky batter into magical macaroons, each one a unique and colourful delight. The kitchen, once filled with uncertainty, now sparkled with the joy of overcoming challenges. As they savoured the magical macaroons, the mini-chefs learned valuable lessons about resilience and adapting to challenges in the kitchen. Kitty Cooks beamed with pride, happy that her magical macaroon mishap had transformed into a playful and tasty success. And so, in the heart of the Mini Chef's Academy, the young animal chefs continued their lively culinary adventures, turning every challenge into a delightful discovery and every task into a colourful, number-filled learning experience. The magical journey of creativity, teamwork, and exploration rolled on in the happiest kitchen of all. In the lively Mini Chef's Academy, Chef Beary Blossom, Bunny Baker, Panda Patissier, Kitty Cooks, and Squirrel Sous Chef were buzzing with excitement for their next culinary adventure. Today's story unfolds around Squirrel Sous Chef and his ambitious plan for a savoury sandwich safari. One sunny day, Squirrel Sous Chef burst into the academy kitchen with a sparkle in his eyes. Get ready, my friends. Today, we're going on a savoury sandwich safari, filled with flavours that will make our taste buds dance. The mini chefs cheered, ready to embark on a journey of taste and discovery. As they gathered the ingredients for their savoury sandwiches, fresh veggies, cheeses, and tasty spreads, a sudden gasp echoed through the kitchen. The bread, a crucial element for any sandwich, was nowhere to be found. Chef Beary Blossom, always quick to think on her feet, rallied the team. No need to panic, my friends. Let's put on our thinking caps and embark on a journey to find a solution. The mini chefs, undeterred by the missing bread, set out on their quest. Bunny Baker hopped around, gathering crisp lettuce leaves. Panda Patissier twirled gracefully, selecting colourful bell peppers. Kitty Cooks meowed with delight as she picked juicy tomatoes, and Squirrel Sous Chef chattered happily while collecting a variety of nuts. As they gathered their non-bread ingredients, Chef Beary Blossom turned the challenge into a game of colours and numbers. Let's organise our ingredients by colour and count them together. 1 green lettuce, 2 orange bell peppers, 3 red tomatoes, and 4 brown nuts. Now, let's turn this challenge into a sandwich adventure. With resourcefulness and creativity, the mini-chefs constructed savoury sandwiches using lettuce leaves as wraps. The kitchen, once filled with uncertainty, now radiated with the joy of thinking outside the bread box. As they savoured their unique sandwiches, the mini-chefs learned valuable lessons about resourcefulness and thinking creatively in the kitchen. Squirrel Sous Chef beamed with pride, happy that his savoury sandwich safari had turned into a flavourful and imaginative success. And so, in the heart of the Mini Chefs Academy, the young animal chefs continued their lively culinary adventures, turning every challenge into a delightful discovery and every task into a colourful, number-filled learning experience. The magical journey of creativity, teamwork, and exploration rolled on in the happiest kitchen of all,